Meski thok ding kakhat santerik jemang, usamla pensyai Joel Dekhar, Presiden ke Hill State People Democratic Party Yudwing, ulah hiar shalangpi ban yakendo iki samla jong ketiga than, bat ban ai mensim yaki bakimde ban artatin halor ke jingsa teng jong ke jingya penbet yo port usam jong ke langpi sektor. Utay unong ya lam ke HSPDP Yudwing, habaya keren bat unong thok kubor jong maupor hagate ke jaka ulaong, banakaliang ki samla jong ke HSPDP, kilalet ban yakendo yo Konrad Kongal Sangma Menteri Rangba Kejela man kirpat yu bon penkloy no ban khat iki Regional Committee on Border Dispute bat ban batha yaki bakin pendap no yak jinglet jurep yaki jaka bat kishnong ki thaw ki baha ba ka langpi sektor khanang ba ka sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam kin yo ban yakran biang bat penbet yakapor ban pendap no yak jingya penben. Ula ai kublai ru ya Menteri Rangba halor jong ka jingkular jong ba un sakhat no shan ya ka Regional Committee ban shong perkhat bat ban penbet ya kapor.
At the very outset, I would take this opportunity on behalf of the HSPDP Youth Wing and the residents of the Langpi sector as a whole to convey our sincere thanks and gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Konrad Sangma, for his audacious and responsible move to take up the border issue, which is a 5-decade-long status quo of resolving this boundary issue. We would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for his swift action to resolve this issue. Yesterday we saw a press briefing saying that he will also take up the phase 2, including this Langpi sector where we are standing right now. So having said that, we would urge the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly speed up the process as the situation is quite tense here, and we would request the Honorable CM and the government to take this issue seriously and to please speed up the process. So ban ai kublai say sin pat ya Chief Minister Badan Burom lingba kilat pathai kubor menen ngiu i ba ula shim biang yakani ka kam bat ula ong ba unsa sedang biang yakani ka phase 2 lani ka phase ka baar ha ka biadai bat ban penbet nyo yu pot usam mentagasi ngidon hangni ha madan ha langpi ha ka baha pakani ka langpi sektor bro kawai kadi kani ka madan ya ka ba fi syadin jonga ka dai hangni ru ka ba ki mensim ki ba koridor kila kelon ha ka jing syak siat yap ha ki kuli jong ki Assam de ka mensim ka ba snaukhya nak ni na kaliang ka HSPDP Youth Wing ni kerpat bat ni banjur ya ke government bat kham tap me ya UCM Badan Burom baun pen state ya kini ka kam ha ka baun shimkhya ban lum no mardor ki Regional Committee bat kumbal apen pa munin ha ke jingkran ka jengu baun sa shan un se syong no ya ki meetings bat ban resume ya ki jingkran ha ka biadai bat penbet no mardor ya opod usam kumba ngila pen pa ha kini ki beladap lingba ke HSPDP Youth Wing ba syan ngin sayok bani kendo ya Chief Minister Badan Burom ba ngin kentu jor yu ba un sedang bat ban peteng biang ya ka jing kran ba un la ban penbet nyo shisendon once and for all ya kani ka issue ka bala sakut menta da ki sanpaun republic islam kumta kani kapor ni na kaliang ke HSPDP Youth Wing ni dap da ka jing sokhya bat ka jing sokit kli ba ngim kwa shu ba ngi i kanu ka jing ja ka bas ngosi kinum dan chu ka jing ya sho ya dat kinum dan chu kanu ka jing snam kinum dan chu kanu ka jing huri hura hendrai ba kani ka sarkar kumba kala shimkhya kani ka face ka beningkong menta sai sin pat kan shimkhya bat ban pendap no mardor ha ka biadai ban penbait yung upod usam te kidan ru khandiat tri ki issue ha ka biadai bat ku surok ni iba ka surok kala jot rathai ka biadai bat langpi sidok ti tawyar bat kumjuru kani ka surok ka bayat lingba ka mau sikar sidok kerdum ni kerpat yaki district administration bakin sngoba ban shimkhya lor kani bakila ban penbhai kini ki surok ban pensuk yaki pajba akapang ka sitom ka wanyo wan hat bat ka pule ka dangle bat kumjuru kidan ru kum ka snam maudiang snam ka bampat don yak electricity haduk menta ka sngi ni kerpat ban ngikin tujur ya ka power department bakan shim ya kani ka issue ba kin sngoba ban pun rak boarding no mardor ha ka snam maudiang snam di kublai shibon sai senpat ditangkini kitin di bakendiat kublai shibon.